Hainan ED Technology Company Limited, established in 2019. It is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of electric bikes, electric scooters, electric motorcycles, bikes, and fitness equipment. ED has an excellent R&D team and an experienced foreign trade team and after-sales service. We have made it our commitment to stick to the policies and requirement on green industry set by Chinese government by innovating new products with the emphasis on using our own advantages. As our company develop along the way, our principle is to make our products practical, fashionable, economical, and environmentally friendly to meet the demand of our current market. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, FCC, RoHS certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, UK, Canada, South Korea, etc. We also welcome OEM/ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. ED will always be committed to better design, higher technology, higher quality, good manufacturing, and better after-sales service to be a driving force in new energy development.